Hi, my name is Michaela Kocianova. Here are my tips and tricks for the future models, my colleagues. So for me, what works to get more confidence when I'm getting nervous is like I put my hands in my stomach and I deeply breathe, like literally my stomach gets out and breathe out. And I do it for 3 times and somehow it works with me. So that would be my recommendation for getting the stress away. Today we were doing this video and one of the girls, she was not so confident. It was the first time somebody was actually making video with her, you know. You kind of have to lose it and think about like that the camera is actually not there, and I think she did very well, right? So they're working hard, but what I wanted to say is that I'm very proud of them because they do a great job. Those are my tips and tricks. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.